Hello, everyone. This is Alyssa, Teen Librarian for Cranston Public Library. Today, I'm going to show you how to access eBooks and audiobooks through the eZone. You can access the eZone through your Overdrive or Libby app on your mobile device or by going to cranstonlibrary.org. Once you are here on our website, in this top purple bar, you'll see there is an eBooks tab. If you mouse over it, you'll see that there is an eBooks and audiobooks, a kids collection, a teen collection, or you can access our streaming movies. For now, we're going to click on eBooks and audiobooks. And it will bring us to the Ocean State Library's eZone. Step number 1 is to sign in. Here, you need to sign in with your public library card number and your PIN number. If you have any trouble accessing either one of these, or if you need to apply for a temporary library card, you can contact us at the library through chat reference or by emailing us at tech@cranstonlibrary.org. Once you are signed in, you'll notice at the top there are different collections for you to browse. For example, let's look at our kids collection. Just like if you were in the physical library, you can browse through and look at different books that are available for you to check out, or you can use the search bar up top to search for a specific title or author. For now, let's go down to the 2020 Rhode Island Middle School Book Award nominees. If a book is available for you to check out right now, it will say available above the book. If the book is not available, it will prompt you to put a hold on that book so that you will be next in line to get a copy. You'll also want to pay attention that beneath each book, it will tell you if it is an audiobook or an ebook. So you'll want to make sure that you're downloading the format that you're looking for. So let's look at Bone Jack by Sarah Crow. Here you can read a description of the book or read a sample of the book. If you would like to check the book out, click on Borrow. Here, you can check the book out for a week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks. And when you're ready, click on Borrow. If you have a mobile device such as an iPad, a Kindle, a phone that you would like to read on, you can actually use the Read Now with Kindle option to send it to your Kindle app once your Overdrive app and your Kindle app have been linked. You can also use the Read Now in Browser option to either listen to or read your book directly on the computer. If you go to My Account in the corner, you can look at any books that you have on hold, any books that you've put into a wish list, or any books that you have on loan. You can have 8 titles loaned out at a time. After your loan period expires, the loan will automatically disappear from both your Overdrive account and any place that you have it downloaded, such as in your Kindle app. However, if you finish the book before the loan period, be really courteous to other patrons in the library system by returning it. Again, if you have any questions or have any issues accessing the eZone, please contact us here at Cranston Public Library.